It's been a while since we have been hearing rumors about Apple's upcoming iPhone 13, and the latest leaks share both good and bad news. After the hectic launching window of Samsung's foldable devices, this is the most anticipated smartphone of this year. Despite Apple's tremendous efforts on stopping further leaks about its upcoming products, its insiders have continued to leak critical trade information. And based on the leaks, it's just a matter of time before we get to see the iPhone 13. In this video, we will be sharing some of the rumored leaks and possible features of the next generation iPhone. So without further ado, let's dive in. First and foremost, there has been so much confusion regarding the name of the upcoming iPhone. Is it going to be iPhone 13 or 12s? Not anymore, as a leaked photo shows the packaging of the iPhone 13, further dispelling any more rumors about the name of Apple's next flagship. Popular tipster John Prosser has recently tweeted about the launching dates of the iPhone 13. According to him, Apple is all set to launch their most premium handset on the 14th of September, and pre-order is going to start as soon as the product will be announced. So, if you're waiting for the iPhone 13, you will be able to pre-order it from September 17. And the phone is expected to launch on the 24th of September based on what John Prosser shared. According to popular Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the new iPhone 13 might feature satellite communication connectivity, by which you'll be able to make calls or send texts in areas where there is no cellular coverage. With this new hardware, you'll be able to connect low Earth orbit satellites and stay connected even if you don't have 4G or 5G in your areas. This will certainly make the iPhone 13 more appealing to users who live in areas where cellular data is not well served, and also for those who tend to venture into areas that don't have proper coverage. Previously, we heard rumors about providing a 120Hz display refresh rate, smaller notch, better camera quality, and longer battery life. But news about iPhone 13's chipset has led to some more surprises. According to a recent DigiTimes report, Apple's biggest chip supplier TSMC is likely to increase its chip producing cost. Furthermore, DigiTimes explained that TSMC will increase prices for sub-7 nanometer process technologies by up to 5% and mature process technologies as much as 20%. Though Apple is most likely to use the same 5 nanometer chipset of iPhone 12 for its iPhone 13, Apple might think of a cost-cutting solution by increasing the price of its upcoming devices. So based on what DigiTimes said, Apple is likely to set higher prices for its upcoming iPhone and as well as its other series. Furthermore, as it has already been leaked that Apple's iPhone launching window is just around 2 weeks, we will find out soon if Apple's really going to rise their iPhone 13's price up or keep it at the same price they've been launching for years. Another reason behind this sudden price increase could be the all-new Face ID hardware that works even if you're wearing a mask or foggy glasses. The news was first shared by prominent Apple leaker John Prosser on his front page tech website. This new hardware is under test due to the recent COVID-19 situation, so that people can unlock their phones without even removing their masks. This would certainly open up new ways of securities to the smartphone world. What upgrades would you love to see in the upcoming iPhone 13? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.